Cooking can take a lot of time, but the right kitchen gadgets can make it way easier. So today, I found 20 time-saving Amazon kitchen gadgets that every kitchen actually needs. Some of these will save you minutes every day. And wait until you see gadget number 6. It's surprisingly useful. Keep your sink clean and clutter-free with the LLQ 2-pack sink strainer basket. This 2025 upgraded design features a suction cup press for easy attachment and automatic dumping of food waste. It also doubles as a faucet sponge storage rack, saving space and time. Durable, colorful, and super convenient, perfect for a cleaner, smarter kitchen. The Starfruit Rod Auto Express electric peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables fast and effortless. With just the push of a button, it automatically peels potatoes, apples, and more in seconds. It comes with 2 spare blades for long-lasting performance and safe, hands-free operation. The stable base keeps it secure while working, making it easy for anyone to use. Perfect for everyday cooking, this electric peeler saves time and reduces kitchen effort. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 egg separator makes separating eggs quick and mess-free. It easily separates yolks from whites, cracks eggs, and strains shells in one simple tool. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for easy control. Perfect for baking and everyday cooking, this compact tool saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time. No electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Upgrade your kitchen with this 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser, designed for healthier, smarter cooking. The 17 ounces light-blocking glass bottle protects olive oil from sunlight, keeping it fresh longer. Switch easily between fine mist spraying and smooth pouring, perfect for salads, frying, air frying, and grilling. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe and durable for everyday use. Plus, the 8 included oil stickers help you label and organize with ease. Control oil usage, reduce waste, and cook like a pro. Simple, clean, and efficient. Make food prep quick and effortless with the crafty crocodile egg slicer for hard-boiled eggs. Featuring 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty kitchen tool delivers perfect slices every time. The sharp stainless steel wires easily cut eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes with a simple press. Durable, easy to use, and compact in design, it's the perfect kitchen chopper for salads, snacks, and everyday meal prep. The household double-head automatic dumpling maker mold makes homemade dumplings fast and easy. Featuring a double-head design, it helps you shape perfect dumplings in seconds. The built-in kneading pad, 2 dough pressing tools, and included spoon give you everything you need for quick preparation. Simply add filling, press, and seal with ease. Ideal for home kitchens or restaurants, this dumpling maker saves time while delivering consistent, professional-looking dumplings every time. Meet the new Krabby Clip-On Strainer by Ototo, the cutest way to drain pasta and veggies fast. This adorable red crab clips securely onto your pot, making straining safe, easy, and mess-free. Crafted from heat-resistant silicone and durable stainless steel, it's built for everyday cooking. Perfect for pasta, noodles, vegetables, and more, Krabby adds fun to your kitchen while saving space. A cool kitchen gadget and funny gift that actually works, because cooking should be practical and playful. Make snack time safer and faster with the White Rhino Grape Cutter for toddlers. Designed for kids ages 1 to 3, this handy kitchen gadget quickly quarters grapes, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, and more with a single press. The enclosed blade design helps reduce cutting risks while saving parents time. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for lunch prep, it's an essential tool for safer snacking and stress-free meals, at home or on the go. Bake like a pro with the Bellmain 3-cup flour sifter. designed to make baking faster and easier. Made from durable stainless steel, this sifter features a fine mesh and rotary hand crank with a loop agitator for quick, smooth sifting every time. It evenly aerates flour, removes lumps, and helps create lighter cakes, cookies, and pastries. The comfortable hand crank reduces effort, while the 3-cup capacity is perfect for everyday baking. A reliable, mess-free tool every baker needs for consistent, fluffy results. Mix faster and easier with the Yamalo 9-speed digital hand mixer. Powered by a 400W DC motor, it handles everything from light whipping to heavy dough. With 9 speed settings and 5 stainless steel accessories, including beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, you get total control. Compact, powerful, and stored neatly in a snap-on case, perfect for everyday baking. The Hallstein Houseware's stainless steel 2-section omelet frittata maker lets you prepare delicious meals in minutes. With 2 separate cooking sections, you can make 2 portions at the same time. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, while indicator lights show when it's ready to cook. Its compact design makes storage simple, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch. Perfect for omelets, frittatas, and more, fast, easy, and versatile. Simplify your cooking with this 5-piece kitchen gadget set, designed for everyday convenience and space-saving storage. This all-in-one set includes a fruit and vegetable peeler, cheese and chocolate grater, bottle opener, pizza cutter, and a garlic and ginger grinder. Each tool is easy to use, comfortable to hold, and perfect for quick meal prep. Ideal for small kitchens or as a thoughtful gift, this kitchen accessories set helps you cook faster, stay organized, and enjoy hassle-free cooking every day. Meet the Scene Last warming mat for food, designed to keep your meals perfectly warm anytime. With adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer, you can customize the heat for different dishes with ease. This electric food warming mat features fast 10-second heating, making it ideal for parties, buffets, and daily family meals. The included insulating pad and raised feet help protect your table from heat damage while ensuring safe use. Sleek, practical, and efficient. These silicone lids and microwave splatter covers are a smart, eco-friendly solution for everyday kitchen use. Made from heat-resistant, reusable silicone, this 5-piece set fits bowls, cups, plates, pots, pans, and skillets of different sizes. They help prevent microwave splatter, seal in freshness in the fridge, and handle stovetop and oven heat with ease. Flexible, durable, and dishwasher safe, these lids reduce waste while keeping your kitchen clean and food fresh. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. This refrigerator deodorizer is a long-lasting, chemical-free solution for eliminating bad odors. Powered by activated charcoal, it naturally absorbs smells and purifies the air, making it more effective than baking soda. Designed to last up to 10 years, it keeps your fridge and freezer fresh without replacements. Compact and reusable, it also works great in rooms, RVs, and new homes. Simple, eco-friendly, and maintenance-free, this smart kitchen gadget delivers clean, fresh air every day. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. The Chef's Choice 1515 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener delivers razor-sharp results with ease. Featuring 100% diamond abrasives and precision angle guides, it quickly sharpens both straight-edge and serrated knives. The advanced 3-stage system converts dull blades into a durable 15-degree edge for superior cutting performance. Fast, safe, and easy to use, this sharpener brings professional quality results to your home kitchen, keeping your knives sharper longer. Keep your snacks fresh anytime, anywhere with the Mini Bag Sealer 2-pack. This 2-in-1 handheld sealer and cutter lets you reseal plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and flavor. It's portable, rechargeable, and features a built-in magnet for easy storage on your fridge. Perfect for chips, snacks, and food storage. No bulky machines, no waste. Simple, smart, and super convenient for everyday use. Make food prep faster and cleaner with the Egil Vegetable Peeler Set. This 2-piece peeler set includes a built-in container to catch peels, keeping your kitchen mess-free. With 6 interchangeable blades, it easily handles fruits and vegetables of all shapes and textures. Sharp, durable, and easy to store, this smart kitchen gadget saves time and effort. Perfect for everyday cooking and healthy meals. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel wire cheese slicer, designed for smooth, precise cuts every time. The adjustable handheld design lets you slice cheese thick or thin with ease, perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, Gruyere, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, this premium cheese cutter includes 2 extra replacement wires for long-lasting use. Sharp, sturdy, and easy to handle, it delivers clean slices without crumbling. Ideal for home cooks and cheese lovers, this wire cheese slicer makes prepping cheese faster, easier, and more professional. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef and Cob Plus corn stripper and peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. The Joseph Nest 6-piece knife and cutting board set is the perfect space-saving solution for a modern kitchen. It includes high-quality stainless steel knives and color-coded cutting boards to help prevent cross-contamination while cooking. Each board is clearly labeled for different food types, making meal prep safer and more organized. Everything nests neatly into a compact storage stand, keeping your countertop clean and clutter-free. Stylish, practical, and durable, this set is ideal for everyday home cooking. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is perfect for large families or entertaining guests. With its spacious oval design, it easily fits big cuts of meat and family-sized meals. The easy manual controls let you choose low or high cooking settings for stress-free, slow-cooked results. Its durable stainless steel exterior looks great in any kitchen, while the removable stoneware makes serving and cleaning simple. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals every time. Create fun, homemade desserts in minutes with the Home Rolled Ice Cream Maker Kit. This 2026 upgraded stainless steel quick freezing tray lets you easily make rolled ice cream, fruit smoothies, and frozen treats right at home. Simply pour, spread, and scrape using the 2 included scrapers for perfect rolls every time. Easy to use, reusable, and mess-free, it's a fun DIY dessert tool for families, parties, and creative sweet lovers. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender delivers powerful performance in a small, portable design. With a 700-watt motor, it easily blends smoothies, shakes, frozen fruits, and ingredients for quick food prep. The set includes 2 16-ounce cups with spout lids, letting you blend and go in seconds. Durable, easy to use, and simple to clean, this compact blender is perfect for busy mornings, workouts, and healthy living. Powerful results without taking up extra counter space. This electric vegetable slicer set is a powerful 4 in one portable food processor designed to make kitchen prep fast and effortless. It slices, chops, and mixes vegetables, meat, garlic, onions, peppers, and more with one touch. The rechargeable, wireless design lets you use it anywhere without cords, while the sharp stainless steel blades deliver quick, even results. Compact and easy to clean, this smart kitchen tool saves time and energy. Perfect for busy home cooks who want fresh ingredients in seconds.